With the advancement of technology in modern era, we feel automation in every field, may it be your online shopping or a friend with whom you can get your work done. Warehouse management, industrial automation or assembly lines, the robots have always benefited humans. Being one of the pioneer technical college, VSSUT has felt the need of a technical club where its students can do a practical implementation of their theoretical knowledge. In 2008, VSSUT got its very first technical club, the Robotics Society.
रोबोटिक्स सोसाइटी गोटे सीनियर मेंबर होइति बा तो मु सबले मोर बेस्ट ट्राई करी कि मु जो टेक्निकल नॉलेज क्लब रे 2 वर्ष काम करी कि गेन करछि सेटा केमति मोर जूनियर बैच को पास ऑन करि परबी सो दैट से माने क्लब को गोटे न्यू लेवल को नेबे और एटा मते देखि बहुत खुशी लागे कि जो क्लब दिने 4 जण मेंबर स्टार्ट हिला आज से क्लब रे 40 जण उत्साह रे भरा मेंबर काम करचंती और रेगुलर क्लब पई न्यू अचीवमेंट नै कि आसुचंती और VSSUT रे फर्स्ट टेक्निकल सोसाइटी होइतिबा जो एटा हमर कर्तव्य कि हमें जो टेक्निकल नॉलेज की जो नॉलेज एठी गेन करछु सेटा को हमें केमति सोसाइटी रो काम रे लगै पारिबु जद्वारा कि हमर से नॉलेज गेन करिबाटा गोटे फलप्रद हेबो.
At VSSUT Robotics, members are nurtured from early stages like circuit designing, metal crafting involving metal cutting and grinding, building autonomous robots using codes, and finally structuring a proper complete robot. Proper orientation program is conducted along with a week-long RoboGames event to give the freshers their very first taste of engineering. Annual Techno Management event Samavesh witnesses a large number of students from various colleges participating in the robotics events.
A well-modeled industrial procedure for the freshers, research projects, proper evaluation of the work, complete year report makes learning process at VSSUT very unique. Here we get hands-on experience from a simple capacitor to automated bot and 3D printer.
Over the whole year, the club members are involved in various research projects and different research papers. The members participate in various national events which includes various MHRD projects like eYantra. The boys and girls of VSSUT Robotics have always been the best of all, bringing laurels to the university to whichever event they participate.
If girls and robotics could be mainstream, that would be the sweetest day ever. Being a girl, I always wanted to be a part of the team where the girls did not feel intimidated about learning the aspects of engineering and could explore something new in a more humble environment. And to no surprise, the Robotics Club offered me the much-needed environment where the girls and boys are treated alike. Basically, robotics is not just a platform to experiment, but to commit errors, debug them, and to come out with a whole new innovation. Here, we play with mechanical designs, dope them with electronics, and feel the automation come alive with the lines of coding.
I joined VSSUT Robotics Society during my sophomore year, and I must say I feel happy and privileged to be the member of the team. The elevation from a complete novice to a tech bird is indispensable. The learning experience, the work aura, interaction with the senior members is something a society like VSSUT Robotics can only provide. And I still date back to my first day at VSSUT Robotics when I implemented the use of a diode and a capacitor in parallel. And from that day till date, it has been a great learning experience.
VSSUT Robotics has an obligation to always produce something innovative and better. We have never strayed away from the challenges of society, and we make sure we go out with a never say impossible attitude.